So on this problem here, word problem, I know your favorites. So we have a university spending at most $4,500 to buy monitors and keyboards for a computer lab. So each monitor is going to cost us $250 and a keyboard will cost $50. So which inequality represents all possible combinations of X, the number of monitors, and Y, the number of keyboards? So I'm going to tell you first, let's identify our variables. We're going to have two variables. We have our X and we have our Y. So I already told us that X is the number of monitors and Y is our number of keyboards. Okay, what else do we know about our monitors? We know that our monitors cost $250 each. So we know that that is $250 per monitor. We write that as X. And then for our keyboards are $50 per keyboard. We write that as Y. And now what else did we know? We know that the university is going to spend at most $4,500. So they could spend $4,500 or they could spend $4,000 or anything. They could even spend $10 or $50, anything in between. Okay, so let's look at our answer choices. I need to find something that is a 250x plus 50y. So I know it's not C or D because it has those variables flipped. And now let's look at the difference between A and B. So A, with this inequality, this is telling me they cannot spend $4,500. They can spend $4,499.99, but not $4,500. Whereas B tells me they can spend $4,500 to the penny. And that's what our word problem told us. They could spend up to, meaning including $4,500. So that is our answer.